Hi, my name is Ben Wong. I'm the country manager for Pameran, Indonesia, a member of the Informa Markets. This year is a very important year for industries, for industry building, particularly. 3 years. 3 years has been a long time since we last run the last manufacturing, and this is the return to market year. Okay, as you can see, okay, the market has really returned. Okay, the market has returned in force, especially with all the machineries, all the exhibitors, the international, the local distributors, the local exhibitors all at the show. Look at the number of sold signs at the machine. Everybody is buying. Everybody is buying, particularly the JAYA metal stands. One of the best, one of the highlights of our show, with end-to-end machining solutions for the manufacturers. So thank you for the support, and we hope to continue working with JAYA Metal to present even better editions of manufacturing Indonesia, better edition of the presentation at JAYA Metal. As we move forward, we expect the market to continue to scale, continue to grow, and we hope and wish JAYA Metal all the successes in the year to come. Cheers.
We have been cooperating for many years, more than 20 years, and I can say that JMT is a trust partner. And I wish that in the future we could strengthen our cooperation and together provide the best solution for many manufacturers' needs. And thank you.
Hi, hello, sofa engineer. This is Mike from Shea Machinery. I'm pleased to be invited for the exhibition this time, especially after 3 years pandemic period. Now I'm very happy to come back again. I'm also very happy to see all the friends here are healthy, and also saw a lot of potential customers come to the exhibition. Especially a lot of old customers are looking for the machine. Okay. Finally, I wish the exhibition held by JAYA Metal successfully, and hope can get lots of order. Of course, I will coming back again soon, and maybe in the next year exhibition I will also here. Wish everyone all the best. Thank you.
My name is Roger Kindler from Eberle in Germany.
Okay, maybe I want to ask about how do you think about this pameran in this year?
Yes, first of all, I'm very proud to be a member of the JMT family and can be here. In this warm weather, we have minus at the moment at home. I'm very exhausted to see this booth, and it looks like the success in the last year, in the year 2020. It shows the success of the HMT company.
Last but not least, can you give us feedback for JMT to be better in the future?
In my opinion, you are on a very good way. In a very, very good way concerning all other competitors, and I will support you to make the next steps in the next year.
Okay. Thank you for your time, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Hi, sofa engineer. My name is Peter. I'm from Sankei Machinery from Taiwan. I'm very pleased to have joined this exhibition again, because with 30 years I'm working with JAYA Metal TEKNIKA, so I'm see JAYA Metal in leadership in the Mr. One, and then all the colleagues working together, and the business is grew up year and year. I hope continue. Thank you.
PT JAYA Metal TEKNIKA, the machine tools solution.